So we're back working on the giveaway car. Yes, one of you guys out there is gonna have the chance to win this thing. And I know it looks a little bit not proper at the moment, but we're gonna get there. I know because the kit is just not painted, and just trust the process, guys. Trust the process. I'm gonna make this thing look really good when we're done. But today we are working on just getting this thing prepped and ready for paint. If you missed the last episode, we went ahead and test fit the KVD body kit, and it actually fits up really well. So we really didn't have to make any modifications. We're pretty much gonna rock with it how it is. So we're just gonna take everything off, strip it down, get this thing ready for paint. Let's do it. So quick little update on the 240. As you guys can see, we've came a long way and a lot has gotten done. So we're prepping for the whole paint process. You guys know this. We just actually had our buddy from, well, he's actually a local guy, Classic Windshields by Josh. He actually just removed all of the glass on this car. So super excited for that. It's gonna give us a really nice paint finish. As you guys can see, everything is out, full safari style. And the cool thing is we actually noticed that we had a little bit of surface rust building up here in the actual windshield. So we'll be able to go ahead and take care of all that. If you're local in Texas, hit him up. I'll have all of his contact info down below. And yeah, that's it. She's looking good, man. Very, very excited. This paint job's gonna be sick. We're about to take the doors off. I got like taken, you know, everything's coming off, guys. This is gonna be a legitimate paint job. We're doing full color change, doing a bit of body work. We're gonna patch up this antenna hole. There's a little dent over here. We're saying, I mean, literally anything that you guys see that is blue will be Millennium Jade. This color was not, this blue is not original to this car, so it's really nothing. We're not losing much, you know. This color is pretty cool. I don't know if it's an OEM color. I think it was trying to be, but it looks good. All right, so it's the next day, and you guys can see more and more progress is being made on this thing, and it's so close for primer, man. It is so close. So quick little status update. I want to update you guys on what the hell's been going on here and what I've been doing. So just been going around and really getting all these areas where the windows were nice and clean, getting rid of all the gasket, like that goo, the sealant, the window sealant. Got it all cleaned up with the wire wheel. Very time consuming. Got it all off everywhere though, which is really nice. So we're gonna have a really clean finish when we're all said and done. New windows should seal up absolutely perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and order all new clips, because there's actually clips that go in here. You can actually see one of them that's still lingering down here. A bunch of clips that went along here to hold in the trim and the wind, like the glass. So a lot of stuff to go on here. You can actually see one of them right here. We'll have to order some new pieces. Doors are obviously off. We'll have to get new hinges. That way they close and open nice and solid for you guys. Well, for one of you, whoever wins it. And we're actually gonna weld up some holes because there's a hole here from like a dent repair and it's past. So we'll go ahead and weld that up. But yeah, I mean, I sanded everything. All behind the bumper is all sanded because that's gonna get painted. Really took my time, all in here, all the seals, all the clips, everything is taken off so we can get a really clean paint job for you guys. So like I was saying before the battery died, I'm really excited for whoever's gonna take this puppy home, man. I'm just putting in so much time and effort and love into this thing. I really do believe it's gonna be one of our best builds out of here, man. Very excited to just throw in my all on this paint job, but guys, it is late, man. I've been here since the early part of the day. It is now almost 9 p.m. Just been grinding. You know how long, do you guys realize how long it actually takes to just sand in all these little crevices, all underneath here? I'll work on cleaning all this mess up that I made, and we'll be back here in the morning to go ahead and prime this thing. So hopefully I'll be able to get a prime video, a video up sooner than another week later. I know these videos are like a week every time, and I know that's kind of unfortunate, but we really want to go ahead and ramp up the content. We're just kind of getting back into the swing of things, and we're doing a lot, guys. We have a lot on our plate. Both me and Morgan are really grinding, hustling, really just making moves behind the scenes. So a lot to come, but yes, we're gonna go ahead and don't want to make this too long. Gonna go ahead and patch that up and prime this thing, man. It's gonna be really cool, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm done, I'm tired, I'm hungry. Without further ado though, if you guys want to go ahead and have a chance to win this thing, if you guys are still here, appreciate you guys. Toss a like, really would help us out and get out there a little bit more. Share this with your friends, you know, even if you guys don't want to win the car, or you can't win the car, just grab some merch, dude. Like, it really would help us out. Lanyards, jet tags, stickers, t-shirts, hats, face masks, a lot of cool stuff on the website. So just go ahead and check it out. But without further ado, man, that's gonna be it for today. See you guys in the next one. See ya. Peace.